What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an install video on some minor modifications. I got two packages that came in the mail, so we're going to be doing some minor modifications that make a sort of huge difference to my Nissan 350Z Nismo. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into the install. Alright, so the first modification we're going to be doing has to do with this ugly antenna that they put on my Nismo. Well, on any 350Z. Makes it look like a little RC car. So we're going to be changing this out for I bought a carbon fiber, a short one, and we're going to be changing this one out. I think this just screws off. Yep, just screws off just like that. Alright, there we go. Alright, so here we have the new part. Well, it's a nice carbon fiber mini antenna. It's gonna screw on right here, but I'm gonna have to put it comes with, like, let me show you. It comes with adapters, and it comes with a little rubber grommet so water doesn't get in there. So pretty much all three of these right here fit on the car. I thought they were different extensions for other cars, but all three of them fit. It's just each one is a different sizing of how long you want the antenna to poke out. So we're going to be using this little one all the way to the left, because this one on the right is way too long, and the one in the middle makes it stand up, and I do not like how it looks. Alright guys, so here's everything you're going to need. You're going to need the new mini antenna that you bought. I bought this one with the little carbon fiber piece, and it says Nismo on it to match the Nismo 350. And then I got the smallest setting for the antenna because I don't like how it stands out with the other one, so the smallest settings. And then you're gonna need this rubber grommet right here that you're gonna put in the bottom so water doesn't leak in. So let's go install this and see how it looks. This is the piece right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. You're gonna put the bigger side inside the antenna, and the skinnier side is gonna go inside right here. So you're gonna put the gold piece here, the rubber grommet right there. Now you're just gonna put it right here. You're gonna just screw it in. Actually, hold on, because this rubber grommet for some odd reason is not. Matter of fact, I think you could just put it around the. Oh yeah, see, never mind. I was doing it wrong this whole time. You can just put it around that piece right there, and then this should screw in flush with it. Yep. Just doing it wrong the whole time. Nice. Way better than that RC long antenna. Just like that. You guys see the rubber ring right at the bottom. Yeah, nice little simple install. Makes the car look much better. As you can see, it's nice and short. Nice antenna. It's now standing up. This is the old one. Garbage? Not garbage. Garbage? Not garbage. Yep. Now we're gonna move on to the next install, which are gonna be these. The LEDs. Because the car, the interior lights, the license plates, I don't like the yellow, the old yellow that it gives. So these are bright LEDs, these are bright white. So we're gonna install these, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in nighttime. Alright, so we're gonna come inside the car here. So the first two we're going to be changing is this interior right here. These two interior lights, because let me see if they're on. This is how they look right now. It's like a ugly orange, amber, yellow color, and I hate that. So we're going to be changing them to these bad boys right here. Nice LED bright whites. They should come with this tool right here. It's a nice plastic tool so you don't break nothing. You're just gonna wanna do this. Let me see. Yeah, pop it out from the middle first, and then the rest should come out. Click that off. Don't want to break these. Perfect. No clips broken. That's nice. Look at the bulbs. Let me take one of these out real quick. Oh, good thing we're not using those back. So this is what it looks like. It's like two metal things and then a glass. So we're gonna look in here. It's gonna be this one right here. The two metal thing with the 6 LEDs. We got 2 of those, so we're gonna replace this for this. I'm gonna leave the other one in just so you guys can see a difference. Easy install, just push right in. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if it works. Oh my. This is the new one. It's nice, bright and white. And then this is the old one. Make sure this one works. Wow. Those are bright. Nice. All right, now we're gonna put these plastics back in. Okay, yeah. All right. Whew. All right. This is gonna be a little test. This is how it looks. I don't know if this camera's gonna pick it up. But yeah, the bright whites. I don't know if the GoPro's getting it earlier, but it's a nice little fix. So we got the bright whites. Let's go outside to the next thing. Yeah, that one's for there. All right, perfect. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the bulb in like so. Put it in sideways because remember you gotta turn it. Oh, just like so. So little thing. Perfect. Yeah, we're gonna check right here. Oh, one of them isn't working. I'm gonna have to fix it and get back to you guys real quick. All right, let's try this again. Turn the lights on. Lights are on. Let's go to the back. I think both are on now. Yep, both are working. And then let's check the trunk. Open the trunk. What the? I don't know what the hell. Alright, let's put this down. Quick. Alright, you guys can see. Try this one out. Alright, something's going on with this. Oh. There we go. Alright. I think you guys can see that. Yep. Nice little fix. Alright, they're all working now. Thank God. Alright, it's nighttime. This is how it looks. So it's the next day and I'm going to show you guys the conclusion on everything I installed. First, we're going to go to this. This is the little Nismo antenna with the carbon fiber that I bought off of eBay. I think it was like 15 bucks. It's a nice touch to the car because the other one was way too long. And then the other thing I installed were the white LED lights for right here, the license plate spot, the one inside the trunk light, and then the one for the lights right up here. I can turn these ones on and show you guys the white. Yeah, they're 10 times brighter as you guys seen in the video last night. But yeah, minor subtle little mods for first mods that make a really good difference. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe. I know it wasn't no big mods, but it was minor mods that make a huge difference in my eyes. Stay tuned for the next video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling foggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in when you freak. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.